So subqueries is nothing but like you have to practice more. You have to practice more on subqueries. You have to practice more on subqueries. Then only you will be able to know the subqueries. If I'll teach you how much I'll teach you, you will not understand until unless you will not write the query for the subqueries. So what is the meaning of subqueries? Subqueries means query within the query. So the some of the important topics are using different types of subqueries, single row subqueries, multiple row subqueries, nested queries, correlated subqueries. They just categorize these subqueries and multiple other things. But definition wise, is nothing. Like subqueries are nothing. The only thing is that you should know that how to write the subqueries. Then only it will be useful. Then only you will be able to run it. This theory part will give you nothing. Okay, theory part will not give you anything. The subquery is best defined as a query within the query. By the name itself is saying that subquery means query within a query. One query you will write, another that query you will write another query you will write in another queries. Like that, you will be able to write n number of query inside the one query. So outside of the query, it's called as outer query. Inside the query, it will be called as inner query. First, it will execute inner query, then it will execute outer query. And whenever you are going to write a subquery, inner query will be written inside the parenthesis. Inner query will be written in the parenthesis. It is the use of select statement inside one of the clause of the another select statement. A subquery can be contained inside another subquery, which is inside another subqueries and so forth. Okay. A subquery can also be nested inside insert, update, and delete statement. Subqueries must be included within the parenthesis. Your inner subqueries must be included in the in the parenthesis. If you not use parenthesis, then it will not work around. Okay, we can use the comparison operator such as greater than, less than, equals to sign. The comparison operator can also be also be multiple row operator. So you can use in operator. You can use in operator, any operator, and all operator for, as per the requirement. As per the requirement, you can use in operator, any operator, and all operator. There are three types of subqueries: single row subqueries, multiple row subqueries. You can just read this one. I'm not going to explain you the theory, but I'll show you the practically how to write subqueries. How to write subqueries. Just read this one. Okay, guys, read this one. Okay, guys. So now I'll tell you how to. I'll tell you how to how to write the subqueries. Very easy. No problem in that. Okay. Now consider that if I want to find like maximum salary, then what we are going to write, guys? Max of salary. Correct. Why, guys, silent? Why you people are not participating? So select max of salary. So it will give you the maximum salary. But I want to find all other details. I want to find all other details like employee ID, first name, last name, all other details I want to find. So who is getting maximum salary? I want to find all other details. So how will we write? If we'll add it here, employee ID and all, employee ID or any other column, if I'll add it, it will throw error. It will throw error. It will say that not a group by column. So how to find this one? So we can use the subqueries in this case. Select star from employees where salary is equals to, and open the parenthesis and close the parenthesis. So what will happen? What will happen? It will return 24,000. So consider that we don't know how much is the maximum salary. So it will return 24,000. So we can write directly here also. But in complex logic, like whether like we are learning here how to write subqueries. So we are just writing like this subqueries. So select a star from employees where salary is equals to this much, and then it will give you the all the details of who is getting the maximum salary. Who is getting the maximum salary? You're getting all the details here. Consider that if I want to find the person details who is getting second highest salary. So how will you write it?
Second highest. Max.
Second, I want to find all the details of person who is getting second highest salary.
Max salary. Select that from employee salary is equal
Your
to
voice is very low. Can you repeat it loud? Can you say loud? Like if I'll write it, select star form, like same thing. If I'm writing again, okay, with here, if I'll make it here, salary less than whatever the salary is there. So you will get all the details, whose salary is less than 24,000. So it will return many records. It will return many records, correct, including your second highest salary, but I don't know how much is the second highest salary. So like this, you'll find all other salary except this highest salary. But my requirement is that I want only one column should be present where I'll be getting the second highest salary and all the details who is getting the second highest salary. So we are going to write it simply. We are going to say here max of salary. Out of this list, I want to find max of salary. Max of salary. So it will give you second highest salary. So this is the second highest salary. But I want to find all the details who is getting second highest salary. So again, you can write same way. Same way you can write the subqueries here, and then you can close it. So you see how many subqueries are there? Here, three queries are there. This is one query here. This is another query. Okay, and then this is the another query. You run and then you will get the details. So 17,000 is the second highest salary, and you are getting second highest salary. Easy? Easy, guys?
That's it.
Okay. So like this, you can write the subqueries. Now, tell me one thing. One subqueries I want to write, where I want to find that out of employees table, whose hire date is maximum, like who joined recently, who joined latest out of this list, who joined the latest, like recently only the who joined latest. I want all the details of him. How we are going to write it. Same thing, like select a star from, same thing. Instead of salary, you will say that hired it. And here, salary you will put here like this. So it will return max of hire date. It will return maximum hire date like this. You're getting maximum hire date, and then all the details you will get when you write it like this. So this 2 persons is having the maximum, like latest in the recent out of this list, the maximum hire date, like recently only they have joined in 2008. But in out of this list, this is the latest value compared to other value. Before this only other people have joined. So like this also you'll be able to find. Other table also you can use it, but there should be some column things will be there. Like I'll show you. Consider that we have an employees table here. Select a star from employees. So employees table is having department ID and all are there. Correct. So department ID and all are there. So like this you are getting all employees table data. Now next one is departments table data. Select a star from departments. So here you are getting all these things values. Department ID is there, a manager ID is there in this both the tables. Okay. Now I want to find out. And you have to remember one thing. Like when I'm writing outside of the query, outer query, whatever the column you are mentioned here, you have to pass that column only here. Like salary is here, salary is here, salary is here. Then you have to write salary here also. So if you will write any other column, it will not take. Okay, it will not take, or it will take, but value should match. Character like number should match. Then only it will show. Now I'll show you that how to find out write the subqueries. Write the subqueries where department ID. Like you will have to compare the department ID of employees table and department table. I mean, like who is having the same department ID. Tell me those values. Select a star from employees where department ID in, okay, in operator we are using. So it will show you a multiple result. Select department ID from department. So like this also you can write the query. So this will give you different types of department ID. Okay, different types of department ID, and whatever the department ID is available in employees table, it will be able to relate the things. Now see, these are the value you are getting for the your department ID. Okay, so like this also you will be able to write your subqueries. So you have to learn how to write the subqueries. So we have multiple things are there in your document. If you refer, we have multiple queries are there. So this I already told you. Average salary, all these things you will be able to find. These are the things also you will be able to find. You just do the practice, read and then do practice. See, subqueries, if you will not do practice, you will never, you'll be not able to understand this one, how to write subqueries. Okay, so you have to write it like this, and you have to refer the scenario-based question also. In that, we have the multiple scenario-based question also there. How many of you will give the mock interview for full SQL? When you will give? Okay, so WhatsApp me. If you are prepared, then WhatsApp me morning so that I'll take the mock interviews on the phone only, or over the call we'll take. Okay. Now, if you see in this scenario-based question, you will be able to find multiple sub-queries. Let's see. Select start from EMP where salary is greater than select salary from EMP where e-name is equals to black. Or one more things I'll tell you. One more thing I'll tell you, like here also you can write it like this. Okay, so in department ID, department name is considered IT is there. Like this also you can pass in your subqueries. So this is just a way to understand learning only. If you will not write, you will not get it. Where department name, department name, department name is equals to IT. So what it will do, it will just give you department ID for uh, IT only, and then it will show you those details only. Now see, you are getting only 5 records. So this is the beauty of your subqueries. Sometimes it will make your query very difficult. Sometimes it will make your life so easy. Okay, so these things are there. Now next one, what I was telling. Okay, so like this you can write it. Any doubt, any question? Just find out more queries in your scenario based question, or like your whatever the worksheet is there. In that, do practice. If you want, you can find more queries from the Google also for the subqueries, but until unless you will not write, you will not get it. Definitely you will not get it. Okay, so this is what we have. Any doubt, any question? Will you practice? When they will ask you scenario-based question in interview, it will be very, very important. Okay, guys. So that's it from your SQL. Your SQL is finished. So I'll try to take one class in weekdays. Okay. If possible, if I'll not get work on the office one, if I'll have free time, then I'll take. Otherwise, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Like Friday, we'll make it over your data warehouse, and then we'll go for the Saturday, Sunday. We'll have the Informatica. Mostly, your class will be over uh, mm, 23 or 22 or 23, it will be over. 21, 22, 23, any of the day, it will be over. So you remember which day we have started the session, guys? First session on SQL? When we have started? Sorry? I know like we have went very slow. 9th June. consider that 11th, 12th June. Okay, these are the just time pass classes. So like we are lagging behind. Like maybe 1 week it will take extra, but we are on the track only. Okay, so please put effort, and then we'll meet on Friday or before that also if possible. Bye everyone, take care.
Thank you.
Bye.